Activity. So we draw some snowman over here. Okay, fine. Okay. Yes, tell me, how can I help you? May I help you?
Sir, this one becomes a video.
You see my video? Okay, fine. Hello. Hello, brother. How are you?
Sir, this is Pranit, not Prana.
Prana? Okay, Pranit, right?
I am fine. Sir, can we add another more?
Yes, you can add. Hi, Prani. Bye. So sweet, beta. I like.
Sir, in the second he's asking, sir, can you draw balloon?
Balloon.
On one saying that balloon to the snowman.
Balloon. Okay. Okay. Right.
From the character.
Yeah, from Dave and Eva.
He is saying bye bye.
Bye bye. Very nice. Bye bye.
So can you draw that?
Okay, we can draw that.
Sir, we correct. Sir,
Yes.
what do you this where my back eyes are now?
Yes. Please.
Sir, we correct.
Yes. We can color. Start the color. First we do.
Sir, can we open it?
Yeah.
Sir, can you see my video? I'm making seven. What is it okay?
Yes.
Let's start opening.
Yes.
Let's start opening.
Yes.
Yes.
It's basically the snow area, so you are not using lots of color. So only few. Hello. Hi. Sir, Dhani's class time is Sunday 11:45, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So this week is. Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you so much. I just remind the class. Okay. So we are making same green color, and I leave that. Wow, this white part. No, this is like a snow. Snow falls. So you can leave some this part. This. Okay, some white like this. So it's look like a. Yes, Kushan. How are you, beta? Yeah, I see you're drawing. Very nice. Yeah, this scenery. Thank you, beta. You are so sweet. I like you. So we are making like this color over here, and I leave this white part. Why I leave this white part? Because it looks like a snow falls here. Understood? So I do.
Sir, first I thought it was cloud.
Ha 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 ha. Isn't it? You. Okay. And now you thought it's a. First make this green color. This is just little like this. Yeah. Not much that you said that. Right there, you can just add direction. Yes, complete. So we are making some little gray color, not much color. Okay.
I'm making the outline.
Oh, very nice. It's so sweet. There is some. Not a supposed to. Yes. 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 So we are creating the some sky color, not gray. We are using the sky color. So over here, see, I make the shading like this. I make some little sky color.
Your camera is very heavy.
Okay, for now, maybe sometimes please be patient. It's coming better. And I'm using the gray color also. Okay, gray. So I'm using the gray and sky.
Sir, which color is the tree?
Gray. The tree color is a green only. I'm using green. So here I'm using this color of Dev and Eva. বলছে কথা বলে যাচ্ছে আচ্ছা বলো আবার দেখি জনি জনি আমার একটা কাছে কিনতে হবে এখানটা এটা পড়ে আছে এইটা So I create the color of Dev and Eva. Great, this is কি খাবে খাবে ওই এইটাই और आगे कौन है? বাদামটাকে করে দিন মুগফলিকে না মুগফলিটাকে পেস্ট করে গুঁড়ো করে এত বড় বড় মুগফলি দেখো কিভাবে হাতে দিন like this, the screen. Dave and Eva. My baby is the best that ever seen. My baby is the best. My baby is the best. This is like this song, this Dave and Eva. My baby said that my daddy is the best, the bestest ever seen.
And saw it many times.
Oh, really?
Many cartoons, many times.
Oh. This is like car. What is the snow color? Snow is white, isn't it? So I'm making this only the cap color. Snowman cap color and only the eyes, no?
Which color? Snowman is the snowman and the nose. Snowman is color hat.
Snowman, make it the brown color the hand.
I gave the snowman the Christmas Santa hat.
Oh, nice. বন্ধু ছেলে
Yes, I gave the snowman the Santa hat.
Oh, nice. Santa hats. Okay. আছে
Then I made also Santa hat.
Okay. I have also Santa hat.
In my snowman, it has the hat is tinted.
Oh, that's great. My daddy is the bestest of us. My daddy.
Sir, can we give you the next line?
Yes. Why not finish this drawing now? We are not finished this drawing, so can you go ahead and finish first? You have finished for the drawing. Yes. Hello. Hi. Let's say Tapanroy.artcraft.